Welcome to Flugtag, Tampa Bay. This is the ramp right behind me. This is an event where people build airplanes, like their own version of an airplane, and that's the ramp behind me that they're going to attempt to fly their contraptions off of and see how far it goes. So the winner will be whose contraption can fly the furthest off of this ramp. It's going to be an extremely fun day, sponsored by, of course, Red Bull, and you are coming along for this adventure. This is an interesting one. This is going to be a flying piece of pizza. So this one is called High Stakes. I'm going to guess they're all going to get into this giant frying pan and attempt to fly it. This one is hilarious. I just spoke to the gentleman of this one, the Jet ICU, and they did a really good job of building this. My husband builds remote control airplanes, and this is the same material he uses on his. So I told them I think they've got a good shot of being aerodynamic, unlike the frying pan, which I'm not so sure about. This one's a great idea. They're gonna strap this on their back, and this one is called Changes in Latitude. All right, this one caught my eye because of the pink. And they actually put wheels on this one as well. Their outfits are also hilarious. Apparently Barbie is the inspiration, which explains the pink. And the gentlemen are dressed as Ken for Can You Fly? I love it.
Enough. Stay fantastic.
There's no dihedral in the wing. We have a second airfoil that makes up the craft of the body where the pilot sits. And the pilot is going to end up sitting in a three-point crouch on top of the craft.
That was Lucas Shear who came up with the idea after looking at a lot of different airplane models. They didn't use the same sort of material as the other one that my husband uses, but we'll see. We'll see if this one flies. They're flight position number 5, so they'll be at the beginning. Very, very cool. This one is interesting. And it's called the Swamp Boys. They are the first ones to fly today. This one caught my attention because of the sparkly fringe. Let's take a look at the front. Oh wow, this is a very, that's different than this one. This one looks like it's a drumstick. That's pretty hilarious. They are dressed like turkeys for the turkey leg. And here's the sparkly one from the other side. They are called Tampa Basic. All right, this one's really funny. It ain't going to the moon. Because I managed to get media access, I have a really good view of today's activities. So I think I'm going to stay out here. It's supposed to start in about a half an hour at 1 p.m. I don't know if you can hear me over the music, but these are all the folks who own boats who will be watching the festivities from their boats. All right, I got myself a seat right here on the floating dock. It's going to be hilarious. Okay, so number 1 didn't fly at all. It just plunged.
Right here, right now. Oh, this looks like glory. This looks like glory.
That one did pretty good. There is a little bit of a wind out here now, so any of the ones that actually have winds might actually have a shot at flying. And after you're done flying, they pick up the remnants of your plane or whatever contraption, they tow it in. And let me show you where they put it. See these dumpsters? I'm pretty sure that's where they're going. the ones I interviewed. I hope they do well.
Here in Tampa, I like what I'm seeing. They got wild speed. Check it out here in Tampa.
They did pretty good.
Oh my goodness, look at the speed these guys are generating. Hopelessness is setting in right about now. I called my shot.
That was the pizza one that I predicted would plunge, and it did.
We're seeing it, but it is awesome. There they go. What a strategy.
I didn't even have any wings.
It truly is. That kid mounted in the stroller. They're a little off center. They corrected it. Can they get air over the wing? Oh my goodness.
I just played that one back, and it's hilarious. I feel bad for them because they started crashing before they even got off of the edge of the platform.
All right, they got some pretty good speed. King Leonidas sending it.
I did pretty good.
Together.
Oh, it's not too bad.
Even a nice cruising flight of ship.
Whoa, we did a flip. So only one team member goes on the actual contraption or airplane, whatever it is they're coming on, and then all the other team members have to jump off of that. And apparently they're not only competing for the furthest flight, but audience, whatever the one the audience liked the best. So I actually laughed at the one that basically crashed before it even left. So we'll see what happens.
Equipment all behind. Oh, this is gonna get weird.
These are the disco pirates.
Here they go. The disco pirates. Bring on energy. You see that?
Oh, they did pretty good. I don't know if you can tell, but these guys are dressed as turkeys and they're going to be flying a turkey land. That was a plunge.
What do we got here? What do we got here? Three, two, one, let's get it done! Oh, they got some good speed, Alexa! They had some good speed, Alexa! They had some good speed!
Barreling down the runway here, pretty solid. What are they gonna do?
Alright, this group apparently are 3-time winners, so we'll see how they do today.
Come on, look at these guys! They're all out to the speed today!
They did not do as good as some of the other ones.
Rudy, first on the top!
Barreling down the runway, let's see it.
That is such a terrible barreling! He got hit in the head with a motor!
So there is no saving your contraption. A crane picks it up and puts it in a dumpster. So I had to take a break and get into the air conditioning and get some water. And during my little mini break, and I've only been in here for maybe 10, 15 minutes, the frying pan went. I didn't think it was going to go as soon as it did. It didn't have a number, so I didn't know when they were going to fly. So I did miss that one, but I'm
pretty sure they just plunged, like the pizza and the turkey leg. And all that hard work right into the dumpster.
Let's see how far this cat can fly.
That was the college hung. This is the Austin Towers, guys. Oh, it did well. This is the last flight of the day.
Last flight of the day, give it up, Taylor. Ikson, top one.
All that hard work. This was a lot of fun, and I really hope that they do this again next year. On that note, thank you for tuning into the Wonderful World of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure.